auto_now_add fields, override my input. Given a model. When I do, then my _bar.foo is not yesterday, but now. I have to do. This didn't used to be the case, but is true for Django January 8, 17.
From the docs. The auto_now and auto_now_add options will always use the date in the default time zone at the moment of creation or update. If you need something different, you may want to consider simply using your own callable default or overriding save, instead of using auto_now or auto_now_add, or using a date-time field instead of a date field and deciding how to handle the conversion from date time to date at display time. So you should do that instead.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.